Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to lock the shape object in Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, have you ever experienced this thing before? When you create or put the certain object into your slide, or maybe the text box, for example, to the right, like this, and without any special treatment, this object still movable like this, guys. And let's say if you would like to lock this object for the latest or the newest version of Microsoft PowerPoint, if you give the right click, they will usually the lock option in this section. But as you can see here, I don't have that option. And how to create the lock object? Don't worry guys, because you can still to lock this object up or shape. So you can start to go to this view and go to this slide master, and after that keep the slide into this section, because if you scroll up you'll see this is the slide master title style. So keep the slide gonna be in this section, and don't close yet from this master view. And after that I will start to go to this insert, and for example I will choose this shape, for example this one, and you can also add the text here, for example down, and you can also move it. And after that you can start to close from this master view, and this will be the, let's say, the first slide of your project or your maybe the presentation file. And if I click this one or click this object, you'll see this object finally been locked and also unmovable, guys. And let's say if I would like to do the editing with this stuff, so don't worry, because you can go back to this slide master whenever you want. Go to this slide and click this object, and this can be removed too, and you can go back again to close from this master view. So that's all guys. The thing that you can do is you can start to use this slide master to lock your object, and you can try this tutorial into your PowerPoint version. And I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.